Okay, all I tried to do is flush the toilet, and now it won't stop flushing. It's just stuck like that. I don't know what to do. But in other news, I found out what this knob does when I pull it. It's a bidet. Shoots right into your booty. Right in the booty. It's amazing. I have that. I have this sprayer. And toilet paper. So any way I wanted to clean my butt, I have it. It's pretty amazing. But I'm kind of freaked out, so I called Uncle. And all I did was push the button. That's all I did. I've done it a million times before, and nothing ever happened. So it's never happened before. And it doesn't even have the little water thing like I'm used to in the back, so I can like mess around with it and fix it. Look, this is the button. Wait. I think I'm fixing it. Did I fix it? Did I break it? Let's see if it still flushes. I'm gonna call Uncle. Oh. It's working. Yay. Okay. Time to call Uncle. Yay. Well, it stopped. So I guess when I pushed it, I must have turned it in a weird way. I don't know. First this lock, and then the toilet. I'm currently late for class, late for breakfast too, because I cannot figure out how to unlock this. That one's unlocked. Now, how do I unlock that one? I don't know. I think that I'm just not very good at this apartment.